You work in sales. I have some dynamite, badass, completely amazing news for you, but most of you are not going to take my advice, and that's okay. For the few of you that you do, your life is about to change. There are two things that you need to do. If you do these two things, I 100% guarantee you financial success. I 100% guarantee you being free from stress of job security, and retirement can be an afterthought for you because you are going to be successful at levels you never thought possible. You are going to be guaranteed to have income, have abundance around you for the rest of your life. You can choose to retire, or you can continue to work and just enjoy your life and make a ton of cash. These are the two things, okay? And most people will never do them. Number one, you have to become ruthlessly focused on what you are doing. This means you're going to have to make some sacrifices, okay? This means that you're not going to get involved in the politics of work. This means that you're not going to get involved in the politics in the country. This means that you're going to think really clearly about the choices that you make throughout the day, the scrolling that you do, the TV shows that you watch, the time you spent distracted on other things. The first thing that you need to do if you work in sales and you want to make 4, 5, 10, 100 times more money than you're making right now is you have to make the decision to be ruthlessly focused on what you're doing. The second thing that you need to do, equally important, equally an important component to your life, is you have to get passionate. But you have to be passionate about sales. You have to make a decision and say, I'm not in logistics. I'm not in real estate. I'm not in cybersecurity. I'm not in financial services. You have to get passionate about saying, I'm a sales professional. I'm a master sales consultant. I am a specialist that has the ability to get people's attention, to introduce ideas, to skillfully communicate and articulate their problems back to them, to monetize their problems, and to be able to close that deal. You have to be passionate about sales. You have to stop caring about your products. You have to stop caring about your competitors. You have to stop caring about your comp plan and what's going on and saying, hey, I'm passionate about my process. If you can be ruthlessly focused and passionate about yourself and your sales career, everything will work out. I promise you this. I've done this myself, and I've seen hundreds of people change their focus and become actually passionate about sales. And typically they're making 4 times more money a year later than when they made these simple changes. But they're not that simple, right? It's really hard to be focused. And it's really hard for most people. If I was at a party and asked you what you did, you would answer, oh, I'm in real estate, I'm in logistics, I'm in cybersecurity, right? And you talk about all the industry things. You'd be embarrassed to even say, man, I'm a sales professional, right? But if you can get passionate about that and you can remain focused, the sky is the limit. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm gonna cover all the costs for you. We're gonna get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.